Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can report an issue or a task or item in GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to the project we have access to on GitHub and click into the given item. And here guys, from this editing panel you will need to click into the description box at the top, and to be more precise into these three dots here, issue body actions. From that menu, select report content, and that is going to redirect you to that report form here. So you may, for example, describe the problem, what you would like to report, for example, and provide information here. You may also attach, for example, images or screenshots as further information, for example, by clicking into this button. Describe the issue as detailed as possible, and also the behavior, and after that you will see also that the given user who issued the issue can be included into that report as well. So that's basically it. After that you may go through a short verification process here, and in the final step the submit button will be unlocked so that you may submit your report if, for example, any of these issues you stumble upon have or might have violated any TOS on GitHub, for example. So that's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.